so it's the same day, but today is delivery of my engine day. So let's get this engine. So you just pull up outside, pull the car out, and get this thing crack-a-lacking. Ooh, in the BRV. What's up, brother? What's up?
Thanks for coming through, man.
Hey, thanks for you coming through. We here. He's in the loose. That's it. Hashtag save Christine. So I've been hyping up the motor I'm getting for like the longest time. Now this is unexpected. This was not supposed to happen, but it did anyway. But if you guessed, the motor I got was another B20. You right. So I'm back. You know, I can't ever leave the B20 lifestyle. But we are ready, set to go. My man Justin and Randlow brought the engine stand for me. You guys disappointed in me yet? You know I was gonna say B20, bro. B20, B stand for B20 boys. That's how I rock it. Got my motor in here at the block. Me chilling with Neo and Justin Steele. For the most part, we're just going over the car, what we're gonna do. Told him about my Wireworks plans, stuff like that. Might get some RPF ones on the car, bro. He is the plug, man. Yo, link like right here, not even link, but like name right there. Check that out. But yeah, it does offers financing, bro. So if you like me and don't got credit, you can still finance. No, you can do. Well, it's true. I was just talking, you know, that's what I do for you. I just be talking, but hey, it's true. From what I know, Neo's the only guy that has like his own, like, if you guys watch a lot of Tommy Law's videos, and you know how he always talk about Nemo's garage, like how he has like a, I don't know if he said he has a sponsorship with them, but like he get all his parts from there. In Florida, I'm Tommy. My car's getting to Tommy's way, but this is my Nemo. This is Neo. So this is how I'm gonna start, like, you know, getting better quality parts for the car. Like, if you guys ever need anything, use code Zosh, what, Zosh 5? Use code Zosh 5 to get 5% off your orders, and bro, they have financing, bro. You know, for us, you know what I'm saying, the stock block squad, you know, we need financing, because, you know, it's 2018 and times aren't getting easier. So they offer financing, they have grades, they just landed with, what, Top One, blocks. What else? What? Fireworks, some too.
Union, James Racing, Charge, Speed, Battlecraft, name it. We got it, man.
Everything,
if you don't
bro.
see it, we get it.
Just let them know. All you gotta do. If you guys are interested in anything that I just said and we just said together, link down below to the website. Make sure to use my link, because just click on the link. Save Christina 2018. She's shitting in 2 weeks. She should be straight, and then I head up there to Orlando and check out and show you guys like a shop. We'll do a shop tour, bro. And then Randy gonna get his RSX when his RSX is ready out. He's gonna be using Neo's parts as well, getting that little thing out there. All I need now is just my nice Neo garage sticker right here for my support thing on the back of my car. For all my supporters, and that's how we do it. Change the scenery, huh? I'm at Randy's house, finna go to Lowe's to pick up more of these bolts.
It's the same day, same vlog.
They know that, bitch. I'm still wearing the same shirt, but we gotta pick up more of these bolts so I can put the block on the engine stand. We're with Kato.
Shut your bitch ass up!
We would just sleep together like real family. I look like a family, bro.
I look like a dad.
I'm like a dad.
Yeah, dad.
Hey, that works, bro.
Ugly ass dog.
One more year, I'm gonna have a kid. Well, bro.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Back at Lowe's, cause Lowe's got the best what, Randy? What? Say it louder, bitch. Yeah, man. Sweet. If you need transmission bolts for your engine stand and you don't have any, or if you need bolts, it's M12 by 1.25 by 60 inch. They don't have? They don't have, bro?
Let's see right here.
$4 for one fucking bolt? Yo, what the f? Alright, bro. Hey, man, drive safe, bro. Hey, drive safe, bro. Don't do a pull, man. You know you ain't got gas. I thought you were gonna do a pull for the vlog. I didn't film it, but we do have the block on the engine stand? Yeah, engine stand. But I'll film more about the engine tomorrow and give you guys a walkthrough of why I got another B20, how I got the B20, and stuff like that. But for the most part, I have a new engine to go inside Christina. This would be my, what, fourth B20? Fourth or fifth B20? This would be my fifth B20. Yeah, I've always had B20 bottom ends. So this would be my fifth B20. Sixth engine, but, well, sixth block, fifth B20. So that's cool, I guess. I don't know. So it's the next day. Let's talk about why I went with the B20 instead of the standard LS and stuff like that. Now, what you guys don't understand, well, I guess you wouldn't understand because I never told you guys, but the 2 LS blocks that I showed in like videos ago that me and Randy are gonna send out to get built, well, I have an engine builder now. Like, I partnered up with this guy. He just moved to Florida. He has a shop and everything. And I know you guys are probably thinking, Josh, bro, that's kind of sketchy. No, bro, there's good people in this world, and I believe this is one of the good people. Me and Rainer are about to have 2 LS blocks, CSS, built. For me, for my build, I'm going for 500 horsepower. Randy's going for like frustrate power. Like, he's going up there in power. Me, I want something that's mild. So my power range is 500, maybe 600 if I get a little hungry. But I just want to stay under 500 range, like, or high 4s. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really power hungry like that. But hey, you never know, bro. When you see your motor on the dyno going from 200 horsepower to 3 to 4, you want to just keep going and going and going and going and going.
What's that? Facts?
But I went with the B20 because the B20 is me, bro. Everyone knows Zosh is the B20, man. You know what I'm saying? I believe in B20s. They're like, in my opinion, the best Honda blocks. You say that with a straight face. But B20s aren't that bad. They're a dime a dozen, they're cheap, and they work, bro. They work. Honda Street Garage made a video comparing the B18C to the B20, and I encourage you guys all to go watch it. I even made a video about should you buy a B20 or, you know, the freaking stigma of the B20. Like, people say, oh, weak sleeves, blah, 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 all that crap. Links to those videos will be down below. If they're not down below, then that'll be on the end card screen with, like, I don't know, right here or right here, they'll say something like, hey, click the, I don't. But I got this B20 thanks to my man Neo from Neo's Garage, and it's a blessing to have people that really support me in a way of like, yo, Zosh, bro, don't waste your money. I got a block for you. And like, he became a new sponsor of mine. Like, he offered me an affiliation program with this company. So now, like, I'll be able to do more for you guys in a way of like, if you guys want RPF ones, or if you guys want some T37s, or if you want a Cometic head gasket, if you want this, you want that, you can use my code and it'll save you money. And they have financing, bro. So you know the stock block squad, you know, my credit, and yay, bro. It's just great that it's just so great. It's honestly amazing how, you know, blessed my life has been to start off this new year. Like, if I could tell you guys what's been going on in my life, like, it's been beautiful, bro. Like, it's been beautiful. But maybe in this video or maybe next video, we're gonna start the process of getting this bad boy cleaned up, so then we can remove this and make this engine bay look much better than what it is. Get it painted, brake tucked, hopefully wire tucked. Not even a wire tuck, but just a nice wiring harness. I'm gonna hit up Wirework and see what I can do. See what they can do for your boy. But yeah, so we got some things to do, bro. We got content for days now. We got content for days. Alright, to wrap up this engine video, let's do it right with a LED install from JDM Star. Now, I'm currently running aux beam T1 series, but the good people over at JDM Star decided, hey, bro, you need brighter headlights. I was like, for real? They were like, bro. I was like, what's up, bro? They're like, hey, bro, you need
Brighter headlights right now.
I was like, for real, bro?
Yes.
Say less, bro. So here we have the JDM Star LED headlights. Now, this is the extremely bright series. Now, 4,000 lumens, bro, that's a lot. Now, one thing that caught my eye was this helicopter, you know, flat looking bird thing. I had no idea what it was, but come to find out, it is the LED fan itself, which is kind of strange because the aux beams have the built-in fan, and this is like all helicopter-like. But we're gonna put them in and see which one's brighter. I'm gonna keep the aux beam one in there, and I'm gonna put the Star one in here, and we'll see if it's actually brighter than the T1 series aux beam. So when you open your package, you should be greeted with 2 LEDs, an Allen key, and a sticky pad that I accidentally took out. Sorry. But this is thing to mount, I guess. I would assume this is something for you to mount. And this is the headlight. Like, it's kind of crazy. Like, this is the fan, bro. It's big and huge. Pause, bro. Just huge pause. So we're gonna start by removing the aux beams. So all I gotta do is take the little cap off and plug out, and then boom, just that simple. Now, I don't know if you consider this a tuck, but I kind of got the headlight harness tucked a little bit so it can look kind of cool. But I kind of messed up on my tuck game because now I have to like untuck it to get the whole headlight harness removed so I can put in the new one. So enjoy this little commercial. Now that I got the old headlight out, let's install the JDM one. Let's go. cool I can say that is JDM because the brand name is called JDM a Star. So I can say, let's install some JDM headlights. Wouldn't that'd be a perfect clickbait title. But then again, I picked up my engine this vlog, so like, damn. They be your own titles, bro. Your own title. So let's start installing this bad boy. First one, put it in the hole. So it should look something like this when completed. Honestly, I don't like this design that they went with the whole like helicopter thing. But we're gonna see if it's more powerful than the aux beams. I still have the aux beams hooked up. That one's hooked up. Let's turn it on and see how bright it is. All right, let's see. I don't know. I'm actually thinking this one's actually brighter than an aux beam. I won't really know until it gets nighttime. So I'm gonna let time pass for a little bit, give it 1 more hour, and then I'll take the car around the block and then show you if it's brighter or if it's not brighter. So we'll see. I hope JDM a Star came clutch with the brighter headlights. I hope you guys came clutch. All right, boys, it is now nighttime and we're gonna go take Christina around the block and see which is brighter. But let's do a quick little test of turning on the lights and see exactly what's brighter. God damn. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let's just drive it around the block and see. But I don't know. I think the JDM one is a bit brighter. Look at that, bro. Damn. I don't know if you guys can notice it, but this side is definitely brighter. My left side. I'm not just saying it just to say, because you're like, oh, it's a bad sponsorship. Nah. Like, you can tell it's brighter, bro. Damn, okay. JDM a Star, you guys have a brighter headlight. That's crazy, bro. That thing is actually really damn bright. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. I got a car coming, so I got to hurry up and move. But, yo, they're much brighter. They're much, much brighter than my aux beams. Excuse the oil and blow by. Look how much that is. But you can definitely see the difference, bro. Like this one has more of a like an angle out. Like this one's like stops like makes like a like this right here, and this one is more straightforward. So that's crazy. I honestly wasn't expecting that. I guess those lumens mean something. Look at all that smoke, bro. Snoop Dogg. But you can definitely see that the JDM a Star LED headlights are much brighter than the aux beam T1 series. It wasn't even a comparison video. I just wanted to compare like the two headlights bulb to see which one's actually better for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all want LEDs and stuff like that. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to go with the JDM a Star ones, man. They are much brighter than the aux beams. Aux beams have never let me down though. But if you guys care about the brightness and lumens and all that stuff, then I highly recommend the JDM a Stars. What's up, y'all? You guys have reached the end of today's video. I honestly had no idea how bright the JDM a Star headlight was gonna be. That LED is insane. Now, you guys remember how I was talking about the helicopter thing? Upon doing further research, like reading what it actually does aside from being a cooler, it actually works better and it's more reliable than the fan that's on my aux beams. I honestly didn't know that. I thought it was just some helicopter thing that he just thought it would be dope. And come to find out, it actually serves purpose and is really dope. So that's actually pretty cool. I was honestly surprised about that. If you'd like to pick up your own set of JDM a Star 8th generation headlights, then click the first link down in the description box below and get it crack-a-lackin'. You know what I'm saying? I wish I had a discount code. I wish I had a discount code to help, bro, but I don't. I'm sorry. So to my man Jose, which is the marketing director over at JDM a Star, bro, thank you for reaching out to me. You came clutch with these headlights, bro. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys aren't too mad that I got another B20, even though it's my car. Why would y'all even be mad? Like, but hey, if you're mad, don't be. Because like I said earlier in the video, me and Ren are getting 2 LS blocks, fully built CSS, ready to go. Swatata, swatata. I might go all motor with that build. I'm gonna go turbo. I think I should stay turbo. I don't know. I wanna go all motor. I don't know what I wanna do. But thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, get you a Sharpie, right? I will smack that like button for you. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.